How to unlink Steam from the social club. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I'll demonstrate the steps to disconnect the social club from the Steam. To begin, go to the socialclub.rockstargames.com and log into your account. And click on the account icon and then hover over the help and select support. On this page, choose the third icon labeled as social club and then select the first option, that is social club account. Within this section, you will find the third option, which is account link. Click on this option and next you will need to write a ticket. Before doing so, you must know your Steam ID. To find this, open your Steam account and click on your username and then select account details and copy the Steam ID numbers. After copying, exit Steam and return to the previous ticket page, and here enter your PSN ID or relevant information. In our case, we'll input the social club nickname. You should then write a request to unlink your social club account from your Steam account, including your social club account name and the Steam ID. After completing the description, you have the option to upload an image as the proof of your ownership. Finally, click on Submit Web Ticket, and then you can expect a response within 24 hours, although the unlinking process may take up to a month. This is not typical, but it is a possibility. I hope this solution has been helpful. If you encounter any issues or have any questions, feel free to let me know in the comment section and I'll do my best to assist you. If you found this helpful, please consider liking and subscribing. Thanks for watching.